Gang, gang, crypto gang. Yeah, crypto blog continues. Oof. Hey, what's up, you guys? Just got back from a little cruise. Went to pick up a movie. I went to go check the prices on the oil bearings for my rear discs for the B5, but unfortunately, yeah, shit's too fucking pricey for not being OEM. So yeah, I ain't gonna fuck with that. So I'm gonna pick up the Purge. Gonna be red box and chill with the wife today, and shit, I didn't even get to slap on my turbo timer. I was thinking about getting it done right now. I mean, due to rain in a little bit, supposedly, according. Didn't get nothing. I'm already back home. I had a nice cruise. I had pretty nice videos. I just wish I had a microphone so I could record all the nice noises that my B5 makes. Fucking orgasm to the ear and shit. But yeah, I'm gonna put together the videos for you guys so you guys could have some content. I did say that I was gonna get some video shots with the broskies last night, but I didn't.
That's all that matters. Man, that shit got hella sideways.
Oh shit! Hey. Fucking derby and shit. Oh, mommy!
I would violate that shit. The fucking battery.
Shit! The homie shop. Got the ham in the cut. The homie wagon. Homie's other 36. I'm about to go. Woohoo! I was so stuck playing RCs. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys see my story and whatnot. I was going crazy with the RCs with the bros and shit. But it was a pretty chill night. tomorrow Sunday, I'm planning to go back and kick it with the boys again. And stick around for more videos, more content. The B5, I have a lot of things that I want to do to it that unfortunately the non-OEM parts got me by berserk, so I'm not gonna be doing that. May look if I get into, I may look if I get into the DIY of the right now. As a matter of fact, because the broski had said he wanted to do with me. No. I'll just leave it for tomorrow. Let's leave it for another day. So just stick around for more videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram for more little Insta snaps and whatnot. Hey, what's up, you guys? So I'm working on the turbo timer. Finally decided that I am gonna put that sucker right there. Shave off this sucker a little bit more, and just left that sucker back there, back with the little button that goes there for the fog lights or whatnot, and turbo timer is gonna be there. Got my wires, basically just ready to reconnect. I'm taking off the bolts right now so I can take off the cover from the bottom so I can get to it. So yeah, stick around. Alright, so finally got the cover off. You guys can see that still have a couple of wires, and I think the ignition in here has a cut. It's right here somewhere, right there. Going to try to see what's good with connecting it a little bit different than what I've been doing. Hey, what's up, you guys? So I kind of messed up. According to me, I was doing a time lapse on the turbo timer, but no time lapse was going on. I thought that I had hit the record button, but no record button was hit. So that was my apologies. I'm gonna try to see if I could break it down a little bit on what I did. This is not complicated. Turbo timers come with instructions which are simple and easy. No, it says here about the yellow and the blue, but I mean, I've never used the blue one. That's probably just me, but I've never used the blue one, and turbo timers have always worked fine on my cars. Well, I say on my cars, but then again, I've only installed it once on an Evo, and then twice on this baby. But this timer, I'm like real happy with it. It was real simple. I found it simple because I had everything already basically here. I grabbed the instant power or the constant power, and then I grabbed my ignition power. My ground is right there on the cut, and yeah, the ground goes somewhere in here. I didn't have to take none of this apart because I already had everything already taken off. But I mean, everything is here, instructions and everything. Turbo timer is awesome. It works. Damn, I dropped a bunch of shit. But yeah, this was the box where the turbo timer came. My bad once again. I did say that I was gonna do a DIY and whatnot, but if you guys got any questions, if you guys need any help, feel free, follow me on Instagram and hit me up on my DMs. Ask me any questions. I'm more than glad to help. Timer is off because I turned it off by hand. So there goes 20 seconds. Turning on the car. There goes. Car on. 20 seconds. Okay. Car on. Now, key off. 20 seconds. And it beeps. That's pretty freaking unique. I guess like a timer countdown. And it's off. Oh, bam. Turbo timer installed. Like I said, if you guys got any questions, feel free, hit me up on Instagram. I don't have a Facebook. I don't have another thing, just Instagram and my YouTube channel. So I'm gonna get back. I gotta put my stereo back on and put away all this. And yeah. Alright, y'all, so it's done. That's how it's sitting. That's how it's gonna be. Looks sick, to be honest with you. I'm happy as shit. Maybe later on. Yeah, maybe later on I'll look into maybe wrapping it up or something, covering it, making it look like if it's one piece. But it's done. Happy as shit with it. It works. I did it myself. Kripto built. You notice. Don't mind that other fucking annoying beep. Yeah. Sounding pretty. Let me see. Let me see. Yeah. Just got off in a few seconds. Buddy. Sick. Sick as fuck.